Hi there. I'm Bobby Moore with over 30 years of real estate experience in home renovation and remodeling. I've seen a lot. Today, I'm here to help you estimate the cost of a kitchen remodel. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek, modern kitchen or you just want to give your space a fresh look, you're in the right place. We'll break down the cost so you know exactly what to expect. Let's dive in and make your kitchen renovation dreams a reality. First off, I'm sure you know this, but I want to mention it now. Where you are located is going to have a big impact on the cost to renovate or remodel your kitchen. For example, in digging into this, we found that Naperville, Illinois is the most expensive area to do a renovation. Have to say, that was not the city that I thought would rank number one. But according to frontdoor.com, it is. And 4 cities in Texas, including McAllen, Texas, are the least costly to renovate homes. So keep your location in mind as we go through these different kitchen remodels. To start with, there are several different types of kitchen renovations or remodels that you could choose. Here are the different options for you to consider. First, there's the basic replacement. A basic replacement involves swapping out existing items like cabinets, countertops, and appliances without changing the layout. This type of renovation typically costs between $10,000 and $20,000. You'll be looking at new cabinets, countertops, and basic appliances. Now, if you're getting into reconfiguring the space, that's changing the layout while keeping the same footprint. And this can range between $20,000 to $40,000. It might include costs for moving plumbing and electrical and a few other different items there. If you're choosing to expand the kitchen space or relocate it, that involves knocking down walls or adding square footage. This is a more extensive project with costs ranging between $40,000 to $75,000 plus. And that's including structural changes and permits. Now, you might be wondering what is included in the 3 different levels of kitchen renovations. A budget kitchen renovation is all about making smart choices with cost-effective materials and maybe some DIY work. Typically, this type of renovation will set you back between $10,000 to $20,000. You'll be using items like laminate countertops, stock cabinets, basic appliances, and by focusing on affordable materials and doing some of the work yourself, if you enjoy that, you can significantly cut down on costs while still giving your kitchen a fantastic, updated look. This is a great option if you're working with a tighter budget, but still want to make impactful changes. While I know a lot of people look to places like IKEA for this level of kitchen, we recommend some other options to our clients that provide higher quality cabinets and at a lower price. Now, what about a mid-range kitchen remodel? A mid-range kitchen remodel strikes a balance between quality and budget. This type of renovation typically costs between $20,000 to $50,000, depending on your choices. You'll be incorporating higher quality materials like semi-custom cabinets and granite countertops, as well as mid-tier appliances. The goal here is to upgrade your kitchen with durable and stylish elements without breaking the bank. This option provides a significant boost in both functionality and aesthetics, making it a popular choice for many homeowners looking to enhance their kitchen spaces. Okay, now, the luxury kitchen remodel. This one is all about top-of-the-line materials and custom designs. The high-end renovation typically ranges from $50,000 to $150,000 plus, and that's based on a variety of factors, including the square footage you're talking about. You'll be looking at custom cabinets, high-end appliances, premium countertops like quartz or marble. Every detail is meticulously planned to create a stunning, functional space that exudes elegance and sophistication. If you're aiming for a kitchen that is a centerpiece to your home, this can be a way to go. The investment is substantial, but the results are nothing short of spectacular. I have to say, this is my favorite thing to do in a house. But what I like to do is create this look and functionality with our clients, but move the price point down to a mid-range kitchen remodel. Now, we're going to look into a couple of the costs and give you some ideas there in terms of what the cost for different items, line items in a kitchen remodel or renovation might be. Cabinets. Cabinets can vary widely. Kitchen cabinet stock items range from $100 to $300 per linear foot, and semi-custom cabinets can go from $150 to $650 per linear foot. Custom cabinets can be anywhere from $500 to $1,200 per linear foot. With respect to countertops, there's a variety of materials and there's a wide range of prices. Laminate countertops are the most affordable at $10 to $40 a square foot. Granite countertops are a bit pricier, ranging from 40 to 100 a square foot. And for that premium look, quartz countertops and some other options cost between 50 and 150 per square foot. When it comes to appliances, again, wide spectrum of choices and options out there for you. And that's going to depend on the quality and the brand. Budget appliances range from 200 to 1,000. Mid-range appliances are somewhere between 1,000 to 5,000. And high-end appliances can cost $5,000 to $10,000 plus. Here are a few of our tips to save money. DIY versus professional work. Knowing when to DIY and when to hire professionals can save you a ton of money. For example, painting cabinets or installing a backsplash can be great DIY projects for you to take on. However, for electrical work or plumbing, it's best to hire professionals to ensure safety and compliance with codes. Remember, we've said this before and we'll say it again and again. You want to make sure that when you are messing with utilities, that the work is done right and up to code. Quite simply, it will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Shopping smart. This is one of my favorite things to do. Looking for deals on materials and appliances during holiday sales or clearance events is great. We love helping our clients find incredible deals and cut their costs on all kinds of items. Reuse and repurpose. We don't need to be dumping anything more into landfills. Consider reusing existing items to save some money. Refinishing old cabinets or repurposing furniture can give your kitchen a fresh look without the hefty price tag. This not only saves money, but adds a unique personal touch to your space. To recap, estimating the costs of a kitchen remodel involves understanding the scope of your project and the quality of the materials that you're going to choose. From basic replacements to luxury remodels, each option has its own price range and set of considerations. I hope this breakdown helps you plan your renovation more effectively. If you have any questions or any personalized advice, please feel free to leave a comment below and check out the link down below to learn how you can lower your costs for home renovation and rehab by $10,000 and as much as $40,000 or more by being your own general contractor. We help our clients every day do that and succeed. I'm here to help you make your kitchen remodel as smooth and rewarding as possible. Remember, a well-planned renovation can truly transform your home. Happy renovating!